As you can see, everything is handmade, and this is how it works. And it's handmade, it's not mass production. Every single work, it's made by hand. Have a look on that. You said that one. Do you know how you are creating this beautiful chair, which is handmade? The procedure is very easy. First of all, you decide what kind of model you would like. This is a schablon. And then you're choosing a specific tree. And majority of the trees are made of, in Turkish it's called what? Do you make the comment? Ceviz. And it's called in English walnut, you know. Have a look on that, come closer. You know, it's unbelievable, the art of work, that you're choosing the tree, then the schablon, and measuring it, and then you're making it everything handmade, and finally you're creating this kind of chair, you know. Have a look on that, how precise and how beautiful it was made in order to get a precise work. And this is a mirror. Have a look on that. This is finally a mirror. You put the mirror inside. It's a natural wood. Ceviz, it's called walnut. And you can choose the tree, what kind of trees you would like, and then based on this, what kind of model you are interested to create. But finally, this is just a one artwork which is handmade. And now I'm going to share with you how you can build a unique table. Come. Imagine, have a look on that, down as a tree. Let's take this as an example. There's a small tree, and we are going to take it. The first procedure is we will cut it. This is the procedure, how you cut it. You get the shape of the form, and finally, have a look on that. If the tree is not properly, and the trunk, if I'm talking about the tree, is a trunk of the tree. If it's not straight, we will make it straight here. Come here. We will make it straight here. From the straight perspective, we are going through this machine to make it thinner. It depends on the request, thinner. After we did this, we're using this procedure of polishing the tree to make it very smooth. Of polishing the tree to make it smooth. And finally, the product of this procedure, voila, this is the tree. And have a look on that you can understand. Do you see this? There's three parts, and the procedure was made of single of the stations, you know. And this is a very unique tree. A lot of people was maybe wondering how it works. Have a look on that. This is the uniqueness of that. And majority of the trunk of the tree is ceviz, which is called walnut tree. Now we're going to show you some samples, which is very, very unique. Have a look on that. Stay tuned. Look at this beautiful table. It's a mix of epoxy with walnut. Everything is handmade. Everything what you are interested to get, you will get. But it depends what you want. There's no limit what you can get. Look at this beautiful table. Very beautiful, you know. Right now, there are some customers who are interested to leave the tree how it is, just to get the shape with epoxy. This looks really natural way, but we have to offer as well to make it purely natural, you know. But have a look on each of the table. You can get also something in a different shape, but that's not everything, you know. This is a symbol of the tree. This is again is epoxy. And let me show you something which is called uniqueness of art. Everyone who is interested to get a unique table, the vision of their project, the vision of their goal, the vision of their company, we can reproduce it on your table. Once you're sitting, you get triggered by your table. Have a look on this beautiful, magnificent table, in which is the map in your table. If you are willing to get something, for example, you have a vision of your company, you would like to produce it inside the table, we can solve it. We can manage it. Just look at this. It's very beautiful. What's your vision? Do you have a vision? If you don't have a vision, then consider for what you're living.